In this video, we are sharing several more pin or brooch badge ideas with you. Preparation is always a key part to the projects that we make, so we prepare our wood using the bandsaw, transfer those designs onto the wood using PVA glue. We stack cut the different layers together and then drill the holes for doing the pierce work later on. Always a simple little tip is to sand the back of the project you're working on, get it nice and flat so it sits on the scroll saw bed nice and evenly. We put a new scroll saw blade in as well. This allows our scroll saw to perform at its best. We organise most of the projects that we make in a specific order. So we do the pierce work, cutting out those internal holes first. Follow this on by cutting the outline of the project. The first project that we are working on is a pair of doves just above a heart. After the scroll sawing is completed, we make use of our hand carving skills and carve some extra detail and interest into the design. The wood that we're making all of these projects in is some beautiful Savina, it is called, where we get it from in La Mancha in Spain, and we've translated this as juniper. Our second project is a pair of swans on the water. This is a symbol we use regularly, especially with our love spoons, based on a theme that swans partner for life. We do the work that is required to get the outline and pierce work on the scroll saw. We then do the hand carving to add extra detail, a little bit of sanding to get everything nice and smooth, use a spike for the eyes, and then use our Starbond super glue to stick that pin badge on the back. Our third item is a pair of angel wings and a halo. It also looks a little bit like a novelty moustache. Only a small amount of pierce work is required on this project. We then go across and make use once more of our hand carving skills to add a little bit of definition and to increase that character in the design. The belt sander is a really useful piece of equipment for sanding everything down and refining your finish. Add that badge to the back and it completes our third project. Another theme that we're using on these projects is insects, and we've decided to do a little bumblebee. A simple bumblebee design. So we cut out the pierce work on the scroll saw, cut the surround that's in like a teardrop shape, and again we're using our hand carving skills. This one we can get in the vise because of the shape and not as concerned about it splitting or breaking, and that makes the carving process a little easier and a little bit quicker. Add that pin badge to the back, and then we proceed on to our second insect in the shape and form of the ladybirds. On all these projects that we've done so far, you can see that we take advantage of using the skills on the scroll saw to cut that basic outline, and we combine the scroll saw skills with the hand carving skills too. This for us gives our projects that unique look and feel, and gives us the opportunity to create all sorts of different wooden items. On to our final project, and this is with a pair of simple little lovebirds above a heart. So once more we do the pierce work and the outline on the scroll saw. We do the hand carving, and this is the most difficult one in terms of the carving because it was too small to grip in the vise or the clamp, so I was having to hold it in my hands. put that pin badge on the back, and then our attention turns to the finishing. Way we finish ourselves is to add 3 coats of shellac sanding sealer. We rub it down in between each coat, and you can always add an extra layer of linseed oil mixed with beeswax. So there you go, some more simple pin badge ideas. Let us know in the comments section which one's your favourites. If you want to have a go at making them yourself, remember to check out the link in the description for the designs, and thank you all again for watching.